Hi Year 6, this is your geography lesson for Tuesday the 2nd of March, and we're going to think about packing for a hike. So I've had a look, I'll put some links on the description of good websites that show you what you might want to pack. This is a packing list for a day hike where actually there's facilities nearby. It says there's often a cafe, so just packing your real essentials, which would be mainly for changes of weather really. So your hat and sunglasses if it's sunny, your coat if it starts raining. One of the most important things you can pack, of course, is your water. Obviously you need to stay hydrated, and then they've got some snacks there as well. Okay. Now, if you were in school, what we do is we do our trek up Mount Hartington. It'd be brilliant if we can still do that. Can't see a reason why not. And what we do is we pack for our hike, and you bring your backpack into school. Now, that's something that we might not be able to do. So at the moment we're not bringing things into school, so I'd love you to do it at home. Now, the wonderful Mrs. Stubbs, back from when lovely William was here, has got the bag that they packed, showing you how you might like to pack your bag. Okay, so here we've got, and this is a great size, this backpack here, because it's got all the compartments, wouldn't be too difficult to carry, and we're still thinking about a day hike. So, in your side compartments, I wonder what Mrs. Stubbs has got in her side compartments. Let's have a look. Things that are easy access that you need to be able to get out very quickly. Oh, first aid kit. So if you've got some sort of emergency, some sort of injury, plasters, as we said, are one of the most important things, because when you're walking, you get your shoes rubbing and you need a plaster straight away for your blister. That would be important. No, suntan lotion, very, very important. Suddenly the sun comes out, and the sun can be strong on mountains. You need to put your suntan lotion on. Oh, anti-bac, very, very important. Might not be water up there to wash your hands and keep yourself clean. All of this is easy access in the side compartments. Oh, what have we got here? A whistle for attracting attention if somebody gets lost, or or if there's an injury and you need to attract attention, especially if it suddenly got foggy on the mountain. So that's all easy access in the side compartment. What's in the other side compartment? Let's have a look. This is why a backpack with side compartments is so important. Most important thing, your water. You need to stay well hydrated, and you get those fantastic ones that you can leave in your backpack with a tube that comes round so you can stay hydrated. Okay, there's a front compartment here, again easy access. What's in this front compartment? Oh, torch, which you may need if it suddenly gets foggy. You don't really want to be on the mountain in the dark when you're not expecting it, but just in case you need the light, you've got a torch there. Oh, fantastic. So you'll take your mobile phone, but if you haven't got any signal, maybe you might need to keep in contact with your companions. Walkie-talkies, fantastic. What else is in this? Oh, now she's going into the main body of the bag. So these would be the things that actually you don't need to get access to quickly, but they're still things that you need to take on your hike with you. So let's have a look. Oh, thermos flask, brilliant, with either some soup or a hot drink. So you wouldn't need to have access to that quickly, but it's in the main body of the bag. Then she's got her, oh, look at that.
It's a spork.
Oh, that's it. Yes, with the fork and the, oh, wow.
And a cutting edge there. So spoon, fork, cutting edge.
Wow.
Quite useful.
Super useful. Oh, high energy snacks. So this is a time when you do want to be eating lots of sugar. So you do eat high energy snacks. When you're doing that much exercise, you need to keep your sugar levels up.
Maybe just in case.
So she's got her hot water in her thermos flask, and then got these sort of snacks. They're fantastic for camping, fantastic for hiking, because they're light, easy to carry, but nice and filling.
Now, depending on how cold, you might be wearing these, but...
She's got a woolly hat in case it suddenly gets cold, and the temperature does drop the higher up you get, just suddenly. Oh, is that like a snood type thing to go around your neck? Oh, yeah. Yes. I hate getting wind on my neck. Perfect. Oh, gloves, incredibly important. They look nice and thick and thermal.
Spare pair?
Oh, definitely. If your boots start to rub, or if you've got, suddenly it gets really, really cold. Very, very important. You want cold feet.
Just in case you get wet. So
or you could sit on it, couldn't you?
Quick dry towel, I think.
Perfect. It's nice and light and easy to carry as well.
It rolls up quite small as well.
Oh, fantastic. Brilliant.
There we go.
Okay, so let's have a look then. Let's zoom in. And of course the coat as well, which is incredibly important to keep you keep you warm and dry. So have a go at packing your bag. Now we do not want you to go out and buy anything, of course we don't. Please, you don't need to go out and buy anything, but we'd like you to have a go with the things that you've got at home. Could you try and pack for a day hike? So if you're going off all day to do a day hike, don't worry about the overnight, because that would be a completely different type of hike. But if you were going off up a mountain, what might you need to pack for your day hike? And think about whereabouts you would pack it in the bag. And then you can either take a photograph or you can bring it to the Zoom meetings to show to us. Okay, so I'll put some good website links underneath the description for the video to help you with thinking what you might like to pack. And yeah, hopefully it'll be a bit of a fun activity. Enjoy Year 6. I look forward to seeing what you've packed in your backpacks. Oh, you might want to pack something like a book or maybe a teddy bear or something just to keep you company, but you don't want anything heavy, okay, but you might have one item that's going to sort of keep you happy. Okay, so have a think about what you might like to pack in there. Okay, good luck Year 6.